Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Put fresh batteries or a charged play and charge cable into the controller, then power on the Xbox 360. You do this because the controller needs active power to enter pairing mode. Once the console is on, locate the small sync button on the front of the Xbox 360 and the controller's sync hub near the battery compartment. If you're using a wired controller, plug it into any USB port so the console can detect and install drivers automatically. Now synchronize the devices. Press the Xbox 360 sync button once. The console's ring will start to flash. Immediately press and hold the controller's sync button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the controller's ring begins blinking. This blinking shows the controller is searching for the console. Once the console and controller find each other, the corresponding quadrant on both rings will stop blinking and remain steady, which means you're paired. If you used a wired connection, the console should recognize it instantly. Finish by confirming control. Press the guide button, move the sticks, and use menu buttons to ensure input registers on the dashboard. If the controller doesn't respond, try one key troubleshooting tip. Swap to fresh AA batteries or fully charge the play and charge kit and move to within a few feet of the console. Low power or distance is the most common issue. Once done, if needed, reboot the console and repeat the sync sequence to force a fresh pairing and clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.